You're watching Elon Musk Tesla News. Subscribe for more daily news on Elon Musk and Tesla stock. Tesla is on the brink of a monumental breakthrough, and investors are buzzing with excitement. With the highly anticipated announcement of their full self-driving FSD technology just days away, the stage is set for a massive stock rally. Could this be the moment Tesla stock shatters all-time highs? As the world's most dominant EV maker prepares to unveil its game-changing ROBOTAXI platform, the market is watching closely. Today, we'll dive into why this announcement could be the spark that sends Tesla's stock soaring. Tesla isn't just a car company anymore, it's an innovation powerhouse. As the top-selling EV maker in the US and a major global player, Tesla has its sights set far beyond just vehicles. From artificial intelligence and robotics to the much-anticipated full self-driving technology, Tesla is positioning itself as a leader across multiple high-tech industries. With massive growth in the EV market and ambitious plans to dominate the autonomous driving space, Tesla's reach is global and its stock has the potential to follow suit. Tesla's upcoming ROBOTAXI event on October 10 could mark a defining moment in the company's history. Imagine a world where autonomous Tesla vehicles are roaming the streets, transforming not only transportation but Tesla's business model entirely. This ROBOTAXI rollout has been years in the making, and investors are eagerly awaiting the unveiling. If Tesla delivers on its promise, this could be the most disruptive move in the automotive industry yet, and a massive catalyst for Tesla's stock to skyrocket. The future of autonomous driving might be closer than we think. Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology isn't just staying local, it's about to go global, and this could be the real trigger for a long-term stock rally. Tesla has major plans to expand FSD into crucial international markets, starting with China and Europe by early 2025. These regions represent huge opportunities, as China is the world's largest EV market and Europe has been aggressively pushing for more green technology adoption. This global push is vital, as regulatory approval in these key areas would instantly open up enormous revenue streams for Tesla. But that's not all. Tesla's expansion into right-hand drive, RHD, markets like the UK, Australia, and Japan is set to take place between late Q1 and early Q2 of 2025. This means that in a matter of months, Tesla's autonomous driving technology could be available to millions of drivers across the globe. The rollout is part of a broader strategy to make FSD a cornerstone of Tesla's future, potentially giving them a significant edge over competitors. These expansions are crucial not just for increasing Tesla's reach, but also for its ability to scale FSD technology globally. With more cars on the road using FSD, Tesla can fine-tune its system, making the technology even more robust and market-leading. Importantly, the global rollout could also pave the way for Tesla to secure much-needed regulatory approvals in the US, Europe, and Asia, where competition is already heating up. If Tesla succeeds in launching FSD in these key markets, the company's revenue from subscription-based services and new product sales will soar. For investors, this global expansion represents a massive opportunity. The more countries Tesla enters, the larger its autonomous driving data pool becomes, which is essential for improving its FSD platform and staying ahead of competitors. And with the scale Tesla is aiming for, the stock could see unprecedented growth. Behind Tesla's full self-driving FSD and autonomous driving ambitions lies an enormous cutting-edge technological backbone, Tesla's supercomputers. Recently, Tesla has invested heavily in expanding its AI capabilities with the development of a massive supercomputer infrastructure. This includes a colossal cluster of 100,000 NVIDIA GPU being built in Texas, alongside the Dojo supercomputer project in Buffalo, New York, which recently received an additional $500 million investment. These projects are pivotal to Tesla's ability to lead the race in autonomous driving. The Dojo supercomputer, designed in-house by Tesla, is one of the most powerful AI-focused supercomputers in the world. Its primary purpose is to train Tesla's self-driving algorithms on the immense amounts of data generated by the millions of Tesla vehicles on the road. This real-world driving data allows Tesla to improve its FSD system with every mile driven, enhancing its accuracy, reliability, and safety. The Dojo supercomputer's advanced processing capabilities mean Tesla can process this data faster than ever, accelerating its progress toward fully autonomous driving. Why does this matter for Tesla's stock? Because these AI investments are about more than just making cars drive themselves. They're about building a technological moat that will be difficult for competitors to breach. The faster Tesla can process driving data and refine its algorithms, the quicker it can roll out improvements to FSD, giving it a significant competitive advantage. As these advancements continue, Tesla is positioning itself not just as a car manufacturer, but as a leader in AI and robotics. For investors, these supercomputer investments are key to unlocking new growth. Tesla's ability to accelerate FSD development while also reducing the need for driver interventions could help secure regulatory approvals faster in key markets like Europe and China. The combination of these AI-driven advancements and Tesla's global FSD rollout could translate into explosive stock gains as the company cements itself as a frontrunner in autonomous driving technology. Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology is on the verge of its biggest leap forward yet. The company is rolling out several key enhancements to its FSD system, with the latest versions V12.5 and the highly anticipated V13 set to hit the market soon. These upgrades are expected to significantly improve the user experience and push the boundaries of autonomous driving. One of the standout features of FSD V13 is a remarkable six-fold increase in the distance a Tesla vehicle can travel without requiring driver intervention. This is a massive step toward achieving true full autonomy. What makes these updates particularly exciting for Tesla investors is their potential to increase adoption and revenue. Tesla's FSD subscription model, currently priced at $99 per month, is a recurring revenue stream that could balloon as more drivers opt for the enhanced capabilities of FSD. As the technology becomes more reliable and widespread, Tesla could see a surge in demand, both from new customers and existing Tesla owners upgrading to the latest software versions. This subscription-based model provides Tesla with a stable, growing revenue source, adding another layer of financial strength to the company. But it doesn't stop there. Tesla is also integrating FSD into its highly anticipated Cybertruck, with deliveries of FSD-equipped Cybertrucks expected this month. This move not only highlights Tesla's commitment to bringing cutting-edge technology to all its vehicles, but also positions the Cybertruck as a flagship model for the autonomous driving revolution. For investors, the combination of these FSD upgrades and Tesla's expanding fleet means one thing: potential for higher margins and stock growth. As Tesla rolls out V13 in October, the market will be watching closely. The key question is whether these technological advancements can overcome regulatory hurdles and outperform competitors. If Tesla's FSD continues to improve at this pace, and if it secures approval for wider use, the stock could soar on the back of this technological leadership. In short, FSD enhancements aren't just about making driving easier, they're about driving Tesla's stock to new heights. With each version, Tesla is getting closer to the ultimate goal: a fully autonomous, global fleet that could redefine transportation and generate massive revenue streams, sending the stock on a potential rally. Wall Street's top analysts are paying close attention to Tesla, and many of them are highly bullish heading into the October 10 ROBOTAXI event. One of the most vocal supporters is Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley, a well-known Tesla bull who has reaffirmed his buy rating on the stock with a price target of $310. Jonas, like many analysts, views Tesla not just as an EV manufacturer, but as a transformative tech company with massive potential in AI, robotics, and autonomous driving. Jonas has been particularly optimistic about Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology and its potential to generate significant new revenue streams. He sees FSD as the cornerstone of Tesla's long-term growth, positioning it as a leader in both the EV and autonomous vehicle markets. What's driving his bullishness? It's the idea that once Tesla successfully launches FSD in key international markets, the company's margins could surge, especially as Tesla shifts from price cuts to higher value services like self-driving subscriptions. But Jonas also offers some caution. While he's confident in Tesla's long-term potential, he reminds investors to manage their expectations in the short term. Regulatory hurdles and competition in the robotaxi market, particularly from companies that have already received approvals for driverless operations, could limit Tesla's immediate gains. However, Jonas believes that Tesla's technological edge, fueled by its supercomputer investments and massive data-gathering operations, will eventually win out, giving it a substantial lead over its competitors. Other analysts share this long-term optimism. Many see Tesla's upcoming announcements as a turning point for the stock, with the potential to reignite investor interest after a period of volatility. Some believe that Tesla's FSD rollout could be a major differentiator, especially as the company expands into Europe and China, which represent two of the most lucrative EV and autonomous driving markets in the world. For investors, the takeaway is clear. Analysts are seeing Tesla as a high-risk, high-reward stock. The short term may be uncertain, with regulatory delays and stiff competition, but the long-term potential, particularly with FSD and autonomous robotaxis, has many analysts betting big on Tesla. If the October 10 event delivers, Tesla stock could be well on its way to hitting new highs. While Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, technology, and robotaxi plans are exciting, the road ahead isn't without obstacles. The autonomous vehicle market is heating up, and Tesla faces stiff competition from several key players, both in the US and abroad. Companies like Waymo and Cruise have already made significant strides, securing regulatory approval to operate fully autonomous vehicles in certain regions. This competitive landscape poses a real challenge for Tesla, which still lacks permits for driverless operations in several major markets. One of the biggest hurdles Tesla faces is regulatory approval. Autonomous driving is a technology that is still in its infancy, and governments around the world are cautious about allowing widespread deployment. In the US, Tesla is still limited to testing FSD with a driver behind the wheel, while competitors like Waymo have been granted permission to operate fully driverless vehicles in select cities. This gap in regulatory approval could slow down Tesla's rollout of robotaxis, especially in markets like Europe and China, where regulations tend to be stricter. Tesla's strategy of aggressive global expansion could also put it in direct competition with established regional players. In China, for example, local EV makers like NIO and XPeng are rapidly developing their own autonomous driving technologies, and these companies may have an advantage when it comes to navigating local regulations and consumer preferences. In Europe, Tesla must contend with stringent safety standards and competing automakers that are also pushing hard into the autonomous vehicle space. Moreover, Tesla's own aggressive price-cutting strategies, while successful in maintaining sales volume, have weighed on the company's profit margins in recent quarters. The price reductions, particularly in the Chinese market, were necessary to fend off competition, but they've also raised concerns among investors about Tesla's ability to maintain its premium status while engaging in a pricing war. This pressure on margins comes at a time when Tesla is trying to fund expensive projects like the expansion of its supercomputing infrastructure and the global rollout of FSD. Despite these challenges, Tesla has a unique edge. Its vast data network, powered by millions of Tesla vehicles on the road. Each mile driven by a Tesla equipped with FSD provides invaluable data that improves the system's performance. This data advantage could ultimately give Tesla the upper hand, but the competition isn't standing still. In summary, while Tesla is certainly positioned to capitalize on its FSD and robotaxi ambitions, the road ahead is complex. Regulatory delays, fierce competition, and margin pressures will be key factors to watch. However, if Tesla can navigate these challenges, its technological lead and global presence could make it a dominant force in the future of autonomous driving. Tesla's stock has been on a roller coaster ride in 2024, reflecting the broader market's cautious optimism surrounding its upcoming full self-driving, FSD, and robotaxi announcements. After a strong rally earlier in the year, the stock has faced periods of volatility, dropping 7.7% in August and down roughly 15% year-to-date. Most recently, Tesla shares fell by 8.5% to $210.73 after a brief surge following news about the October 10 robotaxi event. This recent dip reflects the uncertainty surrounding the event and whether Tesla can meet the high expectations set by investors. Despite the pullback, there are signs of investor confidence. The stock did rally briefly to reclaim its 50-day moving average before the decline, and some traders see this as a potential buy signal. Analysts point to the fact that Tesla's stock has formed a cup base, which is a bullish technical pattern, and they are eyeing $235 as a key level for another breakout. If the October 10 event exceeds expectations, the stock could break through this resistance and begin a new upward trajectory. However, market sentiment is mixed and the stakes are high. Some investors are holding off on making big bets until the event unfolds, signaling that there's a wait-and-see approach in play. Many are concerned that if the robotaxi announcement fails to deliver a game-changing product, or if there are further delays, Tesla's stock could face additional downward pressure. Regulatory uncertainties and increasing competition in the autonomous driving space are weighing on the stock's near-term outlook. That said, there's also optimism that Tesla's long-term growth prospects remain strong, particularly if the global rollout of FSD and robotaxis takes off. Tesla's ability to pivot from being primarily an EV manufacturer to a leader in autonomous driving and AI could reignite investor interest and drive the stock higher in the months following the event. For investors, the message is clear: Tesla's stock could swing dramatically in either direction in the short term, but the long-term potential remains enticing. With key FSD updates and the robotaxi event on the horizon, all eyes are on Tesla to see if it can deliver on its promise of revolutionizing transportation, and in the process, send its stock soaring. All eyes are now on Tesla as we approach the highly anticipated October 10 robotaxi event. The big question on everyone's mind: will this be the catalyst that sends Tesla's stock to new all-time highs? With full self-driving FSD technology set to be a game-changer for Tesla's future, the potential for a massive stock rally is clear. If the robotaxi platform delivers on its promise, Tesla could transform from a leading EV manufacturer into a global leader in autonomous driving, AI, and robotics. The combination of FSD global expansion, groundbreaking AI-driven advancements, and a potential new revenue model from ROBOTAXIs positions Tesla for explosive growth. Analysts like Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley remain bullish, forecasting a surge in Tesla's stock if the event lives up to expectations. However, it's not just about the technology. Investors will be closely watching for how Tesla handles regulatory challenges, competition, and whether they can meet the timeline for the FSD and ROBOTAXI rollout. Despite the volatility in Tesla's stock this year, the potential upside is immense. If Tesla can secure regulatory approval in major markets and establish itself as the leader in autonomous transportation, it would open the door to new revenue streams that could propel the stock beyond its previous highs. With every new announcement, Tesla inches closer to a future where autonomous driving isn't just an idea, but a reality, and that could send Tesla's stock into uncharted territory. So, will this be the moment Tesla breaks through and hits new all-time highs? The answer may lie in the details of what's unveiled on October 10. For now, the market is holding its breath, and investors are ready for a wild ride as Tesla gears up for a potential stock surge that could redefine the company's future.